Hi everyone, welcome to Lantu Ebike channel. Today, we're gonna take this new color Revenger review, let's check it out. For starters, we've got a top speed of 45 km per hour, that should be enough to get you on just about any urban road. On the power side of things, we've got a rear hub motor rated at 1000 watts, that's enough power for some decent mid-level hill climbing. We've still got dual shocks in the front and rear, both give us perfectly comfortable suspension, plus the nice plush seat so comfort isn't really an issue here. The rear cargo box also serves as a backrest for your passenger. The Revenge has a 48-volt 20Ah battery for 960 watt-hours, it's removable if you want to charge it off the scooter. This is a big, visible full-screen display, will give you everything you need to know. Thanks for watching everyone, we hope you enjoyed that review, we'll see you here next time.